my cousin who lives with me, Shayan, he gets a call from our landlady. He was in the washroom, so I answered the call and I asked her what's happening, and she said there's been a robbery at our building. And where are you? I said, what kind of robbery? Because I have a cat and she was home, so I got worried. I was like, okay, I'm coming home right now. I saw that the door was broken. I took a video of the whole thing, the door and the whole apartment. There was no furniture. My clothes were like trashed. Everything was trashed in the apartment. My almost all my clothes are gone. My money is gone. My passport was not there, and all of his belongings are gone. And she comes with a constable, and she was showing the constable something, and then the constable asked us. He asked Shayan what happened, where is the furniture. We said she called us. We showed him the log. She had called us. She had told this. Then she said that I broke the door. I got into the apartment and I took all my furniture. She basically wanted the building to get empty. She basically wanted to get rid of us. So then she started misbehaving. She had another man with her who I've never met, never seen. He was wearing a mask. I still don't know how he looks because he did not take off his mask. Then I just told her that we know you are our landlady, we'll talk to you, but not to this man, just tell him to go. He did not go. He started misbehaving with my brother. She started calling us terrorists. In front of a police constable, she said that these were her exact words, you guys are terrorists, tum log atank phailane aaye ho ya atankvadi, and something called mulle. I don't know what that means. And then when she called us a terrorist, it really, really hurt me. She was smoking in front of the police. She told me, she came close to me, she showed me a cigarette like this, I'll burn your face.
They haven't signed the agreement, so that was number one issue that we had with them. Every month they were having an issue making the rent payment. So we asked them, if it's a difficult situation, then you please quit the apartment. I got to know from my staff that these people have sent someone and they are removing all the furniture and everything. So when I reached the place, and by then, because the thing is that this maid, she also generally tends to sleep. When I reached there, I asked them that you got to compensate. Who's going to compensate? I showed all the coffee tables were broken there, and I said, how can you just leave the place? You got to pay the rent, you got to pay the electricity bill. They bluntly said they will not pay a single rupee. I have all the video recordings of whatever they have said, whatever we have said. So I don't know where is this all coming from. If I had an issue with the Kashmiri, why would I give them an apartment?